Hello friends, so in the previous episodes we learned to find French companies via API and find British companies via API, and now we are going to combine it together and it's going to be basically an international company search engine. So if you Google international company search engine, there will be a load of results, and here's one of them. So this app allows you to select a country and based on the selected country, find a company by the name or by the business number. And that's basically what we are going to have. Here I have a new company form and I have the selector for company code. Country code. I will select France. Here I can search for French companies. Let's search for the footballer Kylian Mbappe. And here I found his company. I will click on it. I will autofill this info field. I can also search for a UK company by changing the country code. I will search for David Beckham. And here I find the companies associated with him. I will click on this one and it will autofill this info field for me. And I can create it and store this company information in my database. So I invite you to visit SupeRails.com and watch the full episode there.